10 ways to make money with ChatGPT. What if the same AI you use to answer random questions, write captions, or brainstorm ideas could actually become a serious income stream for you? In 2026, ChatGPT isn't just a productivity tool, it's leverage. People are quietly building side hustles, freelance services, digital product brands, and even full-time businesses powered by simple prompts. No coding, no expensive software, no massive audience required. Just creativity, positioning, and execution. Today, I'm breaking down 10 practical, scalable ways to make money with ChatGPT. From quick wins that can bring in a few $100s a month to systems that can grow into thousands. And if you stay until the end, the final method focuses on something that can potentially save and earn serious money at the same time. Let's get into it. ChatGPT has evolved massively. It can now write, brainstorm, analyze documents, summarize data, generate ideas, create scripts, structure plans, and even assist with visuals. That means the barrier to entry for starting an online income stream has never been lower. The key difference between someone who makes money with AI and someone who doesn't is simple: packaging. You're not selling AI output, you're selling solutions. You're selling convenience. You're selling clarity. Every method in this video works when you wrap ChatGPT's capabilities inside something people already want. Let's start with one of the easiest and fastest entry points. The first way to make money with ChatGPT is offering simple AI-powered design services. Platforms like Etsy and Fiverr are filled with buyers looking for custom illustrations, profile pictures, pet portraits, social media graphics, logo concepts, and book covers. With AI-assisted image generation and smart prompting, you can create stylized artwork from customer photos in minutes. A customer sends a pet photo, you upload it, and prompt ChatGPT to generate a cartoon-style illustration, watercolor portrait, or anime-inspired version. Refine the output, adjust details, and deliver a clean file. Charge $5 to $15 when starting, then increase prices as your portfolio grows. It may sound small, but 5 orders a day at $10 each adds up quickly. Once you build momentum, you can expand into branding kits, YouTube thumbnails, or digital planners. This method is beginner-friendly and low-risk, especially if you test it before investing in paid tools. The second method turns everyday knowledge into monetized insight: grocery and shopping optimization. ChatGPT can analyze product descriptions, compare ingredients, and suggest cheaper or healthier alternatives. While this might start as personal savings, it can evolve into content or consulting. You can create digital guides like AI grocery hacks or how to cut your food budget by 20% using AI. Compile advice, structure it clearly, design it in Canva, and sell it as a downloadable PDF. You can also offer virtual shopping consultations for busy families who want help reducing expenses. People pay for systems that simplify their lives. If you can help someone save $200 a month on groceries, paying you $20 to $30 feels like a smart trade. The third way is creating and selling coloring books or low-content books through Amazon KDP. This is one of the most scalable passive income models. You can use ChatGPT to generate creative concepts, prompts, and themes, from dinosaur adventures and fantasy creatures to mindfulness quotes or motivational patterns. Generate consistent page ideas, create simple black and white illustrations, and compile 20 to 30 pages into a themed book. Design a simple cover, export it properly, and upload to Amazon's print-on-demand platform. Once listed, Amazon handles printing and shipping. With niche targeting and smart keyword titles, even a few books can generate recurring income each month. The real power comes from volume. One book may earn modestly, but 10 books across different niches create compounding potential. The fourth method builds on customization: personalized children's storybooks. Parents love custom gifts that feature their child as the main character. With ChatGPT, you can create original stories where a child becomes a superhero, space explorer, pirate captain, or magical adventurer. Add AI-generated illustrations and format everything into a professional-looking PDF. Personalized digital storybooks can sell for $25 to $40 per order because they feel unique and meaningful. You're not competing with mass-produced products, you're offering something custom. This requires more effort than simple designs, but the margins are significantly higher. Over time, you can create themed templates and streamline the personalization process. The fifth way shifts into financial optimization, budgeting and spending analysis. ChatGPT can categorize expenses, summarize spending patterns, and highlight unnecessary costs from bank statements. You can use this capability to offer freelance budget audits. Clients upload anonymized statements, and you deliver a clean breakdown of where their money is going, plus suggestions for optimization. Many people feel overwhelmed by finances. Clarity alone has value. Charging $40 to $75 per audit can quickly turn into consistent side income. You can also create budgeting templates or AI-assisted finance guides and sell them digitally. The sixth method is subscription audits. In 2026, subscription fatigue is real. Streaming services, apps, software tools, and forgotten free trials quietly drain accounts. Using ChatGPT, you can scan recurrent charges and create a structured report highlighting unnecessary subscriptions. You can also draft cancellation emails and suggest cheaper alternatives. Position this as a monthly expense cleanup service. It's simple, fast, and high value. Many people don't need complex financial advice. They need someone to point out obvious leaks. The seventh way is affiliate content creation. ChatGPT can help structure compelling product review scripts. You provide the product details, prompt the AI to create a clear, honest 60-second script, and then record it using your phone. Upload to affiliate platforms like Amazon or your own social media with affiliate links. The key here is authenticity. AI helps with structure and clarity, but your delivery builds trust. One well-performing product video can generate commissions for months. Over time, you can build a small review library that compounds into steady income. The eighth method builds on that by repurposing content for short-form platforms. ChatGPT can help adapt longer reviews into punchy, high-energy scripts optimized for TikTok or short-form video. This multiplies your reach without multiplying your workload. One product can become several videos across platforms. Efficiency is profit. The more you leverage one piece of work across multiple channels, the higher your earning potential without increasing effort proportionally. The ninth way focuses on remote diagnostics and troubleshooting guidance. Many people struggle with minor home, tech, or car issues, but hesitate to call a professional immediately. ChatGPT can help outline troubleshooting steps based on descriptions or images. You can package this as a low-cost virtual consulting service. For example, someone describes a minor appliance issue, and you provide structured troubleshooting guidance based on AI-assisted analysis. You must always advise professional help when necessary, but many small issues are simple fixes. The value is in saving people time and unnecessary service fees. The 10th and potentially most valuable method involves document and contract analysis, combined with tax optimization ideas. ChatGPT can summarize contracts, highlight unclear language, and generate a list of questions someone should ask before signing. It can also suggest potential tax deductions based on business activities. You are not acting as a lawyer or accountant. You're providing structured, AI-assisted organization and insights. Many freelancers and small business owners feel overwhelmed by contracts and taxes. Offering document breakdowns or tax prep checklists as a freelance service can command higher fees because it addresses high-stakes decisions. Now, here's the big picture. You don't need to try all 10. In fact, you shouldn't. Pick one method that aligns with your strengths. If you enjoy creativity, start with design services or storybooks. If you prefer analysis, start with budgeting or document reviews. If you like content creation, focus on affiliate reviews. The power of ChatGPT is leverage, but leverage only works when paired with focus. Most people fail, not because the opportunity isn't real, but because they jump between ideas too quickly. They test something for a week, see slow results, and move on. Real income requires iteration. Improve your prompts, improve your packaging, improve your positioning. Each refinement increases value. Also, avoid common mistakes. Don't copy raw AI output without editing. Don't misrepresent yourself as a licensed professional. Don't overpromise results. And don't expect instant wealth. These methods are realistic, but they reward consistency. If you're just starting, aim for proof of concept. Your first goal isn't $10,000. It's your first $50, then $100, then $500. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence builds execution speed. Execution speed builds income. You now have 10 practical ways to make money with ChatGPT in 2026. The difference between watching this video and actually earning from it comes down to one thing: action. Choose one method. Open ChatGPT. Create your first offer. Publish your first listing. Reach out to your first client. If this breakdown gave you clarity, make sure you like the video, subscribe for more AI income strategies, and comment which method you're starting with. And if you're serious about building real income this year, the next video goes even deeper, breaking down exactly what I would do step by step if I wanted to scale through in 2026.